Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will introduce you the 5 metaverse best tokens for investment right now. So before getting started, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first person to get the notification. Metaverse tokens or metaverse platform that accepted by the Facebook. So metaverse tokens are just to explode the market of cryptocurrency. So there are 5 best tokens that you can invest on that in order to be a millionaire. So if you don't know what is metaverse, check out this video and learn about how what is metaverse tokens, and how metaverse works in the current platform of cryptocurrency. So in here I will open the browser. Before navigating to the market of cryptocurrency, navigate to IntoCrypto YouTube channel. Check out the videos about mining cryptocurrency, about reviewing the coins which is best for the investment. So this video is also for educational and entertainment purpose only. Also, I'm not a financial advisor. In here, for checking the price of coins, navigate to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. That is the best way for checking the cryptocurrency or different coins tokens which is launching newly, which is having the best gain. So in here you can see there is the cryptos, 13,901 cryptos is now available. There is the exchanges, the market cap. Yesterday the market cap of overall cryptocurrency just crossed $3 trillion. So there is the 24-hour volume. Here is the dominance of BTC, Ethereum. There is so Bitcoin yesterday crossed 68,000, and the Ethereum price was overall high. It was about $4,900, and the Binance coin the same. The Cardano yesterday, the Cardano was in place of Solana. Solana was above $250. So now just Cardano market cap is over, having more potential than Solana. So there you can see Solana price is $237.93. So in here I will show you the 5 best metaverse tokens that you can invest on that for the best investment. Here is for finding the metaverse tokens. Simply navigate to the categories. Once opened, scroll down here. There you can see metaverse is the 49 category that available in the categories of the coin market cap. Simply click on that. Here you can see there is Axie Infinity, AXS, Internet Computer ICP. There is this Decentraland, Mana, Enjin, there is the Sandbox, and also VEX, WAXP. You can invest on each of that. So the WAXP or Geek VR Geek, these two coins are below $1. So in here I will show you the chart of the AXS and 5 best tokens of the coins of metaverse. Here I will open. If you should check that there is the Axie Infinity. You can read each and everything on the axieinfinity.com. There is the community, there is the chat, you can see that the Axie Infinity or AXS is available on the contracts of Ethereum and this Binance Smart Chain. You can buy that in the one of the popular exchanges like Binance, and the next one is Coinbase or any other platforms that you are currently trading on the cryptocurrency. So here is the market cap is 9 billion, and there is the fully diluted market cap is 41. Here you can see the 24-hour volume is 5 billion. if you should check the all overview of the chart of the Axie Infinity, AXS was launched in 11/4/2021. 20. Sorry, the price was 0.40 cent, 14 cent. So if you should invest at that time $1,000, now you become a millionaire of this token. Again, after that, the price starts from $1.28 on 2/9/2021, increased its price. Now you can see here is $10, and again 7, 13, and there is 18. Now all-time high is $46. Here you can see again 76, and there is $138. Just the AXS coin increased its price to $160, and this coin become one of the most popular coin in the Metaverse category on the coin market cap or in the market of cryptocurrency. Today the price of the AXS is $152, as these AXS tokens crushed 0.72%. So the next one is Internet Computer or ICP. Here you can see the official website is definity.org. You can check each and everything about this ICP coin on its website. So here, as you can see, the market cap is 9 billion. So there is the fully diluted market cap, and there is the 24-hour volume trade. So here you can see that once the ICP launched in the market, its price starts from the $460. The price just decreased. Now here you can see the price just again increased to $84. Now the price of ICP coin is $42.05. So here, as you can see, Internet Computer price change, 24-hour volume, trading volume, volume market cap, market dominance, market rank, market cap, and there is each and everything you can check in this. So here you can see the live Internet Computer price today is $51 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of, and there are information about the ICP, and there are you can see that the Internet Computer market is also available on the Binance, Coinbase, and Huobi Global, KuCoin, and you can trade ICP on any of the nominated exchange platform. So the third one is Decentraland Mono. Decentraland become one of the most popular coin in the Metaverse category. So after here, as you can see that the Decentraland.org, just open it here and check out any information about this. There is the contract. They have the contracts like with Ethereum, with the Binance Smart Chain. So you can buy on the other side of Binance. You can trade that on the MetaMask, on the Trust Wallet platform. So using the Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum. So here is the market cap, 5 billion, and there is the market cap, there is the 24-hour volume. So circulating supply, you can see 1.82 billion mana. Here is, if you check the all-time graph, so the price, the mana or the Decentraland coin just launched onto 23rd 2018 on the coin market cap. Again, the price was normal, so once it increased in 25 to 2021, and now the price of single mana is 2.77 cent. Here the price just increased up to 1.56 cent. Here you can see the price is just $3.56. There is the Decentraland price. The price change 24 volume, trading volume, volume, market cap, market dominance, market rank, market cap, Decentraland market cap. So you can also trade on the Mana or Decentraland coin on the Binance, Coinbase Exchange, Huobi Global, and the KuCoin. On the other side, also you can use the your MetaMask Trust Wallet for trading this coin. Here you can see each and everything about the Decentraland Mana. You can find any information about the coins on the coin market cap. So I'm introducing these coins which I've taken profit from this. So there is the Enjin Coin price is now today, as this price is the price of Enjin Coin or ENG coin just decreased and crushed 0.31%. So you can find that on the contracts of Ethereum on the Binance Smart Chain. So there is the Enjin.io. Here you can see that market cap is 2 billion, and there is the 24-hour volume. So this coin launched on 11/3/2017, and price just increased. Here, as you can see, there is each and everything you can find on the graph. And here is the price is 4/9/2021. The price just increased to $3.45. Here you can see there is 350 cent as yesterday on the 6/11/2021. Again, price decreased to 3.7 cent. Here you can check out the Enjin Coin price, the price exchange, 24-hour volume, trading volume, volume, market cap, and here is the market dominance, market rank, market cap, and fully market cap is here. So if you want to have more information about the Enjin or ENG coin, simply navigate to the coin market cap. So here is the Enjin Coin. You can trade the Enjin Coin on the different platforms. Like there is currently the top exchange wallet is Binance. Binance platform is allow you to trade cryptocurrency with the lowest fee. And there is the the Coinbase exchange. There is the Huobi Global, the KuCoin. These are the platforms that you can trade Enjin Coin. So without this, you can trade on the exchange wallet like MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet. So this is the Enjin Coin, and here is the price. You can check each and everything on the coin market. Get ready for each and everything. After that, take a decision and invest on these coins that I'm introducing in this video. So also, I'm not a financial advisor here. I'm never advise you to invest on the cryptocurrency which I'm uploading the video. And there is the fifth one, the Sandbox, or simply you can say Sand in the short form. Today the price of Sandbox is $2.50. Here you can find it on its own website, like there is sandbox.com. The Sandbox is having the contracts with Ethereum blockchain, and there is the Binance Smart Chain. You can check, you can trade with Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. So here is you can see the market cap of the Sand, the overall market cap, the 24-hour volume of the Sandbox. If you should check the graph of Sandbox, here Sandbox was launched on 16/8/2021. After that, it increased the price, like here as you can see 15 cent up to 70. Again the price decreased to 17 cent, again increased. Here is the all-time high. If you should check, Here is the all-time high, just the price increased up to $3.21. So again today the price of one Sandbox is $2.49. Here is the, you can check the price of Sandbox, the price change, the 24-hour volume, trading volume, the volume of market cap, market dominance, market rank, and here is the market cap. So here you can see Sand price live data. You can read the Sand price or any other cryptocurrency on the coin market cap. It is live price. You can get each and every information about the cryptocurrency that you want to invest on that using the coin market cap. So usually the Sandbox or Sand coin is available on the Binance, Huobi Global, BitHub, and there is the KuCoin. You can trade the Sandbox on the following trusted platform. So if you want to invest on in any of the Metaverse tokens, so I suggest you to trade on the Binance having the best opportunity for the traders with the lowest fee. And you can check, there is the Sandbox website, you can get each and information. There are the partners like there is the Snoop Doge, there is the Walking Dead, South China Morning Post, there are the Hell's Kitchen, Smurfs, Rich Horton, there is the other partners that you can check. So there is the Discover the Sandbox. The Sandbox is a virtual metaverse where players can play, build on and monetize their virtual experiences. We empower artists, creators and players to build the platform they always envisioned, providing the means to unleash your creativity. So there are the create in your own land, like there Y Sand. Sand is main utility token that allows you to buy and sell lands and assets in the Sandbox metaverse. There are the also there is the token and there is the NFT of the Sandbox, which you can purchase using its own sandbox.game. So guys, this is the 5 tokens that I've introduced you using this video. So it depends on you whether you want to invest on these following 5 metaverse cryptocurrency or not. So also I'm not suggesting you I'm not a financial advisor in this to invest to advise you to invest on the following coins that I mentioned in this video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching this video. God bless you. I will see you in the next one.